Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Pretty much the short video you've been watching is just how to do your own cornrow. For those who don't know how to do it, you can learn it. You can train yourself day by day until you finally catch the technique. Right now I'm trying to finalize my head, trying to make it look smooth in those areas. Since I didn't use gel from the beginning, so that's exactly what I'm doing right now to make the hair look smooth. You could start it with gel. You could do it whatever way you want, as long as you do what works well for you. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.